Welcome to 303 North Riverside Drive, Units 101 and 102, here in the heart of Pompano Beach. There are two connecting condos directly on the Intracoastal, close to the marina, close to the Pompano Beach Airport, walking distance to the beach, and steps away from the pool. Inside this corner ground floor unit, move-in ready, made up of two connecting units, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with enclosed patios facing the Intracoastal Waterway. 1,400 square feet or 2,800 together, becoming a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, almost like a private home with the ease of condo living. Perfect for in-laws, family, guests, or working from home. Across the street here at the beach, there are local restaurants, bars, and shopping. Come for a quick swim in the ocean and head back to your condo within a few minutes. My name is Laura Hintersheet. I'm with the Julian Soffer team at Keller Williams Boca Raton. Reach out to me for more information. My information is below.